Every door is open to me, I just have to walk through it. And that's what led my journey to where I am today. Growing up, I loved math and science. My dad said, well, where are you gonna make money? Where are you gonna make a living? And of course, that's when I went to electrical engineering. But it was probably the best decision I ever made because I learned how to understand anything I do will impact others. At nighttime, I volunteered for a local television show. So I wore 2 different hats as an engineer. And I found the perfect fit for me, which was weather, which is science and doing television. And from there, things just started to grow. And when they asked me to host Home to Win on HGTV, it was the perfect fit because I had a chance to go back to my background of engineering, to go back to numbers and analytics. And it was just such an incredible moment to do that show for 4 seasons. One of the great things about my job is you get to talk to really fascinating people out there. I will do my research because when I sit down with you, I want you to feel like I'm your best friend, even if it's for 4 minutes. These are, big names, but at the end of the day, when you can sit down with them and have a good laugh, then I've done my job. When we went through COVID, trying to figure out ways to help others was so important. Well, how can we use our platform to do that? To be able to say that we've taken a national entertainment show and taken the time, even if it was for that half hour, to raise money for India, it was a moment that I will never forget. Growing up, I looked up to Oprah and Connie Chung, but there was no one that really looked like me. I never realized the impact of that, but now I celebrate it on a whole completely different level. And the reason is because I have 2 girls, and I never want them to feel the way I felt. I started as an electrical engineer, and here I am, a host of an entertainment show across Canada. I just knew how to be myself, and that's what I am to this day, because that's all I know.